In this video, I'll show you how to disable Cloudflare step by step in 2026. First, go to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Now select the website you want to disable from Cloudflare. Inside the website dashboard, look for the management settings. If you want to remove the site from Cloudflare, you can remove the domain from your account. Another option is to go to your profile. Inside the profile settings, you will find account management options. Here you can manage team members or access permissions. If needed, you can remove members or disable related access. In some cases, you can also delete your Cloudflare account. To do this, look for the Delete Account option in Account Settings. After removing the domain or disabling the account, Cloudflare will no longer manage the site. Done.